FMCS. A doesn't show up out of nowhere. Enforcement climbs a ladder, and a bad safety score is what starts the climb. Here's how it escalates. It usually goes warning letter, then off-site investigation, then an on-site focused audit, then a full compliance review. High safety percentiles, complaints, roadside violations, or a crash can trigger it. A compliance review produces findings. Acute, where a single instance is critical, or critical, meaning a pattern. Those drive your rating, satisfactory, conditional, or unsatisfactory. And unsatisfactory can put you out of service. A conditional rating gives you a 60-day corrective action window. Carriers who move fast give themselves the best odds of upgrading. The rules are CFR, Parts 385 and 386. Stay ahead of the ladder. Watch your safety record on load wrap. Fix issues early and keep your rating.